Hey everybody, it is me, Jill Diamond, and I am here this morning, fresh out of the shower, a little wet head, I know, but I couldn't wait to tell you about the upcoming masterclass that I'm going to be teaching in September. And when you sign up to learn more about the upcoming class, you are going to get a special invitation to a mini workshop that's happening on June 3rd. That's right. So, if you're interested in increasing your English communication skills and you want to have direct contact with me during the process, come and sign up for the priority list, which means that you'll get more emails about the upcoming course that's happening in September. Now, there's no commitment. You don't need to pay anything. You don't need to sign up for the class. You just need to get on the priority list. And when you do, you're going to receive inside information about the course as it becomes available. And you'll also, if you sign up before May 28th, if you sign up on the priority list, again, not for the class, but just to learn more about the class. If you sign up for this list before May 28th, you are going to get a special VIP pass to my mini workshop that I'm running on June 3rd. That's right. It's less than 2 weeks away. Okay, so go ahead, go into the description of today's post. You'll find the link to go check out the form that you need to submit to get on this list, and then you'll be invited to this wonderful workshop where we'll get to meet. You'll be able to learn great things and get started on the process of developing your American accent and your English communication skills. So thanks so much for watching today. Remember to like, to share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.